Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, look for an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up, Allow in this one, and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, just click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!